What's up, guys? Lucas here, and it's the night before my final exam, before my summer break starts, and I can't sleep. So, good morning. The time is now 7:45 a.m. and last time you saw me was at 2 a.m. As you can see, the clock is now 07:46. So let's get going. I haven't done my hair yet, but I've just made my lunchbox, and do you know the feeling when you haven't been able to sleep the night and your appetite is just so low, you don't want to eat anything? I'm thinking about making some breakfast. Might only be one bread with something on. I'm gonna just put on some clothes. Okay, I've put some clothes on. I still need to put this one on. But I forgot to tell you something earlier. At night you saw me last time at 2 a.m. But I didn't actually sleep for the next 3 hours, so I think I fall asleep at 5 a.m. and I just woke up 7:45 a.m. So that's almost 3 hours sleep, and my appetite is just so low. But I'm gonna try eating something now. Okay, so I've just eaten one slice of bread with some kind of chocolate on because my appetite was so fucking bad. But I'm gonna set my hair now and do my hair because I haven't done that yet. And then I'm gonna put my last shirt on, and I think I'm gonna go to the bus and take the bus to my school. Okay, so I've done my hair. No, my hair doesn't look pretty different, but I'm really bad at hairstyling and my hair is kinda long right now. I'm gonna get it cut in a week's time or so, but now I'm just gonna take my shoes on and wait like 5 minutes, a few minutes before I go. The bus leaves at 8:55 and I believe it is 8:30. Yes, so I have a bit of walking distance, but you'll see later. Okay, guys, I've put my last shirt on and I'm kind of ready to go, but I forgot to tell you what my subject is today at my final exam. It's social science, I believe it's called. I do not live in the English-speaking country, so I just googled the translation, and that's what came up. So, see you later.
She works the nights by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants a life for a baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him. Daily struggle. She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna go and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry.
Okay, guys, we're back. When I came to the bus, I met a friend from elementary school, so we had a chat in the bus, and he was also going to school. I think he was having an exam too, and I didn't film anything on the bus ride. And when I got to my school, I would to go into the preparation room and prepare my presentation. So I couldn't film either because you're not allowed to have your phone with you, and I think it would have been a bit awkward if I did. When I came out, we just sat there, a couple of friends and other students who've been to an exam. Okay, the video just stopped recording because my space was full, so I just had to delete some videos, and I was saying that I was having a chat with some other students who were also participating in the final exams. After that, we waited for the rest to finish. It took about 3 hours or so. After we went up to the bus, me and my friend who lives in the same city or close by, we have to take the same bus at least. So we went up to the bus. We waited an hour because we missed the first bus. So we went in a grocery shop and bought something to eat. I didn't film in the bus because my phone didn't have enough battery on. Because I called my parents and my grandparents and told them how I did at the exam. I did pretty well. I will leave the result in the description and a translated one for the ones who live in America or so. So you can check the description if you want to know how well I did. See you later. Okay guys, I'm back. I've eaten my dinner. I'm home from my grandparents and I'm at my own home. I've just been sitting around for quite a while watching some videos, chilling, trying to edit some of the footage that I've filmed today. I'm kind of new to editing, so it might take a while and the final product or the final result might not be that good as you hope for, but I'll do my best. I'll try to see if I can get some workout footage, but I'm home alone and I'm the only one to hold the camera. I'll try to find a place to set my phone because I do not have a tripod or anything. If I do not find anything or any place to set my phone, maybe I'll do some flexing at the end of my workout in some better lighting than last time.
Come in, I could seat you by the fire. Listen, there's something I must confide. I know I said that it'd be fine. I know I made it look like it'd be alright, but I think I learned my lesson, and I'm not gonna let you out of my sight. You can call me killer, 'cause I'll bring you to the light. And it might taste bitter when you're answering to God. You can call me killer as you look into my eyes. Nothing but a sinner. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away.
Okay guys, I'm in the middle of my training session and I've just done some dumbbell flies. I forgot to film them and I've just done my final set. I got a nice little pump here going, so that's pretty good. And yeah, the program I'm following is from a guy named David Dade. You probably know him. He links his the programs he's following, and I decided I would try it out this summer. So I've been on this program in 1 week. So this is like the last day of the week 1. It's a 3 weeks program, I think. I would link it in the description with a link to David's channel too, because he deserves the credits. Okay guys, I'm done with the workout now. I'm gonna go make my protein shake. So guys, I'm done with my workout, and I'm at the point of where I'm about to make my protein shake. I'm gonna make it, and it's nothing complicated, so let's get going. We got some whey, fucking gold standard whey, 100% protein powder, yeah. And we're gonna mix it with milk. We got some milk here. I'm gonna link the translation because I don't think you can read this. It's in my language. I'm gonna read the translation, and it's gonna be like right here also. Yeah. Next thing we need is like a mixer. I got this black one. I put 450 milligrams of milk into this one. A good tip, if you have a black one of these, put on some light, and place the cup under the light, so you can see how much you put in. As you can see, it's much easier to see through. And now I got 450 milliliters of milk in my mixing cup. We'll get to the protein. I'm gonna open the protein powder here. I don't have much left, or if you can see, but what I do is I take 1 scoop. This is not 1 scoop for me. I try to get the top off by like sliding it through the edge, so it's like it's the surface is flat, and this is 50 grams of protein powder. I'm gonna take 2 scoops of these. Here we got it. The protein shake I take every time after training. Not sponsored or anything, just so you know. Might have already figured that out because of my subscription number. But yeah, this is just what I take to show what I do, and if you would do that too, that's okay. I've tried some other protein powder products, weight gainer, like this one. So as you can see, I've tried the Arnold. I think it's called Iron Mass. It's a weight gainer. I mixed this with some protein powder. You can mix it with this gold standard 100% whey, or some other, or you can just take this alone if you get enough protein through your diet. That's what I recommend. This is empty. That's why I just have it for the purpose of it looking good, I think. Yeah. But yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Okay guys, yesterday I forgot to tell you that the protein shake I showed you was just the one I'm taking. It's not a recommendation. You can buy anything else. Just look at the calories, the protein, like the macros inside the protein powder, and just find what fits you and your diet. I wanna thank you for watching this video. There was a comment on my last video telling me that I had a good physique. Thank you. And he gave me this tip that I can wear white boxers, and I'm just gonna answer. I don't actually own any white boxes right now, so I might go buy some, and you'll see in a couple of videos. So thanks for the comments, I appreciate them. I'll try to answer them. Bye.